Dewey Decimal with Detective Booksy. The Dewey Decimal System helps you find books in the library. Let me tell you about the Dewey Decimal System. Librarians use the Dewey Decimal System to organize books. To organize is to store things in a way that is easy to find. Here's an example of things that are organized. These writing tools are organized by type. Pencils are in box 1. Pens are in box 2. Crayons are in box 3. Who invented the Dewey Decimal System? Melvil Dewey introduced the system in 1876. Who uses the Dewey Decimal System? Libraries all over the world use the Dewey Decimal System. How does the Dewey Decimal System work? Dewey Decimal is a number system. It groups books by topic and gives each topic a number. Let's look at the topics. The topics in the Dewey Decimal System are in 10 main classes. Classes are made to hold like things together. A class acts the same as a box. Here are the 10 main classes of the Dewey Decimal System. Zeros, computer science information and general works. 100s, philosophy and psychology. 200s, religion. 300s, social sciences. 400s, languages. 500s, science. 600s, technology. 700, arts and recreation. 800s, literature. 900s, history and geography. Let's use the system to find a book about honeybees. I know that a honeybee is an insect. I know that we study insects in science. Books about science will be marked with a number that is in the 500s. Look at signs in the library or ask a librarian for the 500s section. To find the exact location of the book you need to know its subclass. Here are the subclasses of the 500s section. 500s, general science. 510s, mathematics. 5:20s, astronomy. 5:30s, physics. 5:40s, chemistry. 5:50s, earth science. 5:60s, fossils and prehistoric. 5:70s, biology. 5:80s, plants. 5:90s, animals. I know that a honeybee is an insect. I know that insects are animals. Books about science will be marked with a number that is in 590s. Now you know how books are organized with the Dewey Decimal System.